Hello from me, Bob Gill, ARC Advisory Group, General Manager for the Southeast Asia region. I'm based here in Singapore, which is where, for the first time, building on many years of successful ARC events in the US, Europe, Japan, and India, we will be holding our inaugural ARC Industry Leadership Forum, Singapore, on August the 1st at the Grand Copthorne Waterfront Hotel. Topics that we'll be covering during the forum include future automation architectures, networks and standards, industrial AI, sustainability, and smart manufacturing. One of the companies that will be participating in the event is Schneider Electric. And today I'm very pleased to have with me from Schneider Electric Process Automation, Lisette Isaza. So a very warm welcome to you, Lisette, and thank you for being with us here today.
Thank you, Bob. I'm happy to be here and looking forward for our discussion.
Great. Perhaps we can start, you could tell us about your current role at Schneider Electric and the scope of your responsibilities.
Yes, sure. Well, I have more than 18 years of experience in automation with expertise in engineering, construction, operation, and sales. In my last 5 years, I'm working in Schneider Electric. I started to work in Chile and also in Asia Pacific. And today, my current role as Business Vice President Sales in Industrial Automation and Process Automation in Schneider Electric East Asia. I'm leading the business development team, technical sales consultant, and sales operation excellence. And one of my responsibilities is to drive and increase our core and direct business. That means increase our project in our core business, Foxport TCS, Triconics, and support to all our customers in full life cycle of the process plant and manufacture, with, of course, with our services team. Another responsibility is to promote with our customer, our transversal offer like power and process and extractor automation expert that we will see in these forums. Another pillar for us is increase our business through our agnostic solution and digital transformation, industrial digital transformation consultant, cybersecurity, and together with AVEVA, and of course, increase the advanced and digital solution in process automation portfolio to support in efficiency, profitability, and sustainability.
Okay, great. Thanks for that. So as you look across the East Asia region, what are some of the key opportunities you see for Schneider Electric Process Automation's business?
Well, this area is amazing. So you have a lot of rich region in natural resources, in manufacture, chemical, petrochemical, and energy generation, and so on. However, we know in Schneider Electric, the business from our customer is not only associated with the financing goal. So we know they need to have a success and impact and value on the sociality and environment. So for this reason, our purpose is to create impact by empowering all to make the most in our energy and resources, breathing project and sustainability for all. We know this one, or we call this one to life is on. And one of our mission is to be a trusted partner in sustainability and efficiency with a unique portfolio of connected technology, connected our product, edge control, application, and services. So we are specialists in energy management and automation. Well, one of the key for us in East Asia is move toward digital transformation. There is a growing opportunity for us to provide process automation solution that enables smart, more connected factory. Another key pillar, key opportunity we see is the renewable energy integration. With all of the increased focus on sustainability and renewable energy in East Asia, there is a need for advanced automation solutions to efficiency and integrate these sources into the grid. So we can play a key role and provide this kind of the solution. Another key is the smart manufacture project. In all of East Asia, we saw a lot of government are investing heavily in smart city and infrastructure projects. So we can capitalize on this trend by offering automation solutions for energy management, water distribution, and transportation system. So we have solutions like a unified operating center, digital twins, manufacturing execution system, I mean MAS, PI system, and so on.
Mm.
If I mention PI system, so this is linking with the data analytic and artificial intelligence. So all our market in the region increase the utilize for artificial intelligence. So we know we can help and optimize the process and improve overall operation efficiency. So we have all of these solutions and we are focused for that.
Mm, mm, mm. Oh yeah, thank you, Lisette, for providing that overview and also an insight into the opportunities you're looking forward to taking in this East Asia region. So as I mentioned, Schneider Electric is participating in the ARC Forum in Singapore this August. So what can delegates who are attending our event, what can they expect to hear from your speakers at this conference?
Yeah, well, we are very excited to be part of the ARC Forum in Singapore. We share our insight in different kind of innovation in the industry. So first, I want to discuss about the open automation and digitalization for sustainability and efficiency. So we want to show in IRC Forum our differentiated perspectives and innovation in open automation. So as you know, we are part of the Universal Automation Group, and we know this is the future of the industrial automation. If you looked at the customer, what is market trend, we know everybody is looking for digital transformation. And this open architecture is the coping of the hardware and software allow that. It allowed us to give open environment and more flexibility to our customer to manage and operate and maintain their system. So we have multiple success history around the world in different regions for EcoStructure Automation Expert. This is our platform for open automation. And in this event, we want to show some success history to maybe we can replicate most this success history in this region. Another important topics for us in IRC Forum we want to show to all the attendees is our smart manufacture. So as you know, we received the recognition by the World Economic Forum and McKinsey as one of the 3 global circular lighthouse in the built environment. Right. So we want to present one of the best practices for industrial digital transformation lighthouse.
Okay. And over in the exhibition part of the event, what technology can delegates expect to see at the Schneider Electric booth?
Well, in our booth, you can meet with our expert in EcoStructure Automation from the region and overseas as well. Also, you can meet with our expert for sustainability and our specialized person from the USA for smart manufacture. So in our booth, we want to show to the attendees the smart manufacture, unified operating center, EAE in place. EAE is EcoStructure Automation Expert. And also connected with one additional application for ABEVA. So as you know, Schneider have more than 180 years of the history and innovation. We are part of the Industrial Revolution 1.0, 2.0, 4.0 today, and we know the future is open automation and so on. So we are happy to participate in our forum, Singapore this year.
Yeah, certainly we're looking forward to having Schneider Electric with us at the event. And I think what you've mentioned in terms of the technology that you'll be speaking about, some of the projects, and also what people can see at the booth, I think it sinks in very well with the theme of our forum around open automation, sustainability, and artificial intelligence. So we really do look forward to seeing Schneider Electric at the ARC Forum. So with that, I really want to thank you for your time today, Lisette, and providing that overview, the insights into the opportunities, and what, as I said, people will be able to see at the ARC Forum in Singapore on August the 1st.
Perfect. Thank you, Bob. Thank you. It's a pleasure for us to participate as well. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Lisette, Isasa. And just a quick reminder that the ARC Forum Singapore takes place on Thursday, August the 1st at the Grand Copthorne Waterfront Hotel. To register, head over to the ARC website at www.arcweb.com and you can see how to register over there. And with that, it's thank you, and it's goodbye from me, Bob Gill, General Manager, Southeast Asia at ARC Advisory Group. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Bob. See you then.
Thank you.